Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels auto scroll option not showing problem. If you add Instagram Reels auto scroll option, then follow the step. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Tap on profile picture. Again tap on 3 line. Scroll down. Tap on help. Tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Include your previous Reels section photos. You can briefly explain your problem. My Instagram Reels auto scroll option not showing. Please add auto scroll option as soon as possible in my Instagram account and send the support team. Step 2. Open Play Store. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram Reels auto scroll option not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.